Hello everyone, a little bit of a different video today. I've had a few messages about me going through amber lights. That's what we call them in this country anyway. Some people call them orange and even yellow, but in the UK we call them amber. Now, yes, the guys that have messaged me saying you should stop at amber lights. Correct, you should stop at amber lights, but, and here's the but, only when safe to do so. So I'm going to show you a couple of examples, 2 or 3 examples of why I've gone through amber lights. So please try and stay with us for a little while, just so I can get this off my chest and show that there is a method to my madness and the way I drive and why I've gone through amber lights. So I'm going to speed this up a little bit now till we get to the first one. I'm hoping that you can't hear my neighbours having a massive row in the garden. But here we come to the first one here. Now, as you can see, the ground is a bit wet to start off with, and it goes amber now. Now, that would be a really short distance to stop in, as the ground is wet as well, and it would be a harsh braking, so it's not very safe to do so. The next set of traffic lights have turned amber now, and I've got time to stop safely without fear of anyone rear-ending me, going up my back. Now, I hope that one clears that sort of one up, but I hope it does anyway. I will still probably get comments from people saying that I should have stopped or anticipated it a bit more. But have a look at that traffic light there. It's turned red now. You can see the line on the left-hand side. That guy just goes straight through the red light. That was just a bit of a bonus one. Second one, very similar to the first one. As you can see, it's a quick change of lights. They've only just turned green, and I'm accelerating. Now that gap there isn't very big for me to stop, as I'm still accelerating. So I go through. The next one, it changes now. That's a little bit bigger, so I can actually slow down safely and go there. Shame about the 2 cars to my right who just go through the red light. Now this amber light is a little bit different from the others. I still go through an amber light, but it's a different reason why I do. Now I've got time to stop there. I believe it's not wet. I'm not going that fast. I had time to stop, but I didn't. I go through an amber light, and the reason I went through an amber light is because of this clown behind me. There was no way that he was going to stop. If I'd have stopped at that line there, he would have been in the back of me. No doubt about it. So this is what I'm trying to say. Amber lights, yes, you do have to stop at them, but only when safe to do so. And that was not going to be safe for me to do so. This clip here is pretty much the same as the last one. I've got loads of time to stop there. I'm not going that fast. I've got loads of time to stop. And it's a really, really late amber light. But, as I said, there's a reason for it. This guy here behind, he had no intentions of stopping. And I could see that straight away. As soon as it went amber, I looked in my mirror. And look, he's going through a red light, basically. So I hope that sort of clears things up about amber lights and why occasionally I do go through them. So enough about me making out I know what I'm talking about, and let's get back to the normal stuff. I actually think I found the world record here of the most signage leading up to a roundabout. If you can beat it, send in your clip. Otherwise, I'm claiming this is a world record. But the big question is, will it make any difference?
Is 80 minutes long, not 60 minutes long, and then
on.
Now these two cars behind me, they're both driving with trade plates, so I'm guessing they're delivering brand new cars to someone. Look at the speed they're going. Just left me for dead.
Well, might get you. Well, might get your new car, but look how fast they're driving them.
Normally it's a big flash car that think they're VIPs, but you get some that are in just normal cars, like her. Here we go in the rear view camera. She should be over in that lane there, but there's traffic there. She don't want to wait in the traffic. She's far too important for the traffic. There's arrows that tell you which lanes you should be in. She's far too important to look at them. She's no spring chicken, neither by the looks of her, so she should know what she's doing. Plenty of experience, you would think. More arrows to ignore. And we go to the front. There's a whopping great big sign up there that tells you if you're turning right, you should be in the right lane, funny enough. But there is a sneaky way out of doing it. You can come up the inside of me, go straight across that giveaway line,
Oh, that's why you're
and come round.
trying that hard to get past me. What a fucking stupid bitch that is.
Which reminds me, I've had a few complaints about my swearing. I do tick the over 18 box for these videos. If you can't handle a little bit of swearing, then sorry. Now, has this guy got a bit of a fidget, or is he on his phone? What do you reckon? Let us know in the comments. This one was. It's a shame the camera doesn't pick it up, but that girl there was on her phone the whole time she was next to me. But the instructor, I don't know whether it's just a bit of a fidget or he is actually on his phone. I found another one. I'm definitely sure that this one was. He even drives a little bit closer to me so I can get a better look. Thanks for that.
Two exciting young white players, Suleimani playing at Rennes, Bukhari, Fractal, who's at Sporting Lisbon. So yeah, I mean, I think we've got a good mix.
How's that for crossing the road with a kid?
The ones that they know, Party, Marty, there's two IU brothers, then a Sadoy, so they've got that nice.
No, we're doing the sweepstake. I'm doing the sweepstake down the roads on Sunday morning. Well, I'll be there about 12 o'clock. So we're all looking forward to it. Every team's
Going across the road, mate, yeah?